Objectives and question answers on the lesson, The Age of Empires and Assemblies. Fill in the blanks. In the later Vedic age, the settlements were known as Janpadas. The Buddhist literature mentions the existence of Mahajanapadas. 16. Bimbisara belonged to the dynasty. Haryanka. The capital of the Vajji Confederacy was Vaishali. The master of the household who owned land was called Gahapati. Choose the correct answer. Bimbisara's son was C. Ajatashatru. The official responsible for the collection of taxes from the peasants was D. Balisadhaka. Present-day Patna was also known as A. Pataliputra. The special pottery associated with this era is D. Northern black polished ware. The organization of craftspeople was referred to as A. Shreni. Match the following. Look at the options in column 1. And column 2. Answer. Bimbisara, Magdha, Anga, Champa, Gansangha, Vajji, Gahapati, master of the household, slaves, Dasas. Right, true, or false? Ajatashatru was killed by his son Bimbisara. False. The first capital of Magdha was Rajagriha. True. Magdha had a system of Gansanghas. False. The Vajjis consisted of 8 clans. True. By the end of 600 BCE, 2 new religious sects emerged: Jainism and Buddhism. True. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. What is meant by the term Janpada? In the later Vedic age, people took up agriculture and lived in settlements. These settlements were called Janpadas. How did the use of the iron plowshare help in the rapid expansion of agriculture? The use of the iron plowshare helped people produce more food than was needed. This surplus production encouraged trade and led to the growth of towns and cities. Name some of the important Mahajanapadas that existed around the 6th century BCE. The important Mahajanapadas existed around 6th century BCE were Magdha, Avanti, Kosala, Vatsa, Kuru, Malla, Chedi, etc. Give one difference between the political systems of Magdha and Vajji. Unlike Magdha, which was a powerful monarchy, Vajji was the seat of a united republic, known as the Gana or Sangh. A Gana or Sangh was a state ruled by the heads of the families belonging to a clan or by the chief of several clans. What were the different types of towns that emerged by the 6th century BCE? 6th century BC forms an important landmark in ancient Indian history, as it of those states, Vajji and Malla, were the republics, known as Ganas or Rajpura, was another important town of Cambodia.
Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.